Hello everyone! Welcome back to BIOSKWELA, where learning is fun and never-ending.
This is Teddy. Teddy hasn't been physically active because he's lazy, but Teddy needs to exercise to keep him away from diseases. So can you help Teddy identify what exercise he needs?
Oh, hello everybody. I am Teddy. I need moderate intensity exercise. What do you think exercise is fit for me? Brisk walking? That's cool!
Yes, Teddy. Brisk walking is an example of an aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercises are all moderate intensity that use a lot of oxygen. But before you work out, you need to eat food that will boost your glucose level.
Good idea! Today, I will be eating fried fish with rice and ginisang kalabasa with sitaw so that I will have enough energy to work out.
Now that Teddy's done eating, time to gear up.
For today's activity, I need my walking shoes, a cool and breezy athleisure attire, a towel to wipe my yucky sweat off, and a bottle of water because we need to stay hydrated all the time, especially when doing tedious work.
Now that Teddy's ready, let's get started. Teddy is now brisk walking. Now aren't you curious what brisk walking actually is? Of course you are! Brisk walking is an easy and accessible way of increasing one's physical activities. See? Teddy can do it, I can do it, and I know you can do it as well. As a rule of thumb, for a person to be brisk walking, they need to move at a pace of 3 to 3.5 miles per hour, or 100 steps per minute. Start slowly to warm up, and then gradually slow down. Keep the shoulders down and relaxed, and keep a straight back. From the heel, roll the foot forward, and you're good to go. Brisk walking can actually help you build stamina, burn excess calories, make your heart healthier, and the best part, you only need to do it 10 minutes a day. Now I know you want to learn more about brisk walking. Good thing that we have our teachers Miko, Kiel, Florian, and Ayan to educate us further. So, let's not keep them waiting and let's get to learning!
So, what muscles are working during this exercise? Muscles that are working during brisk walking are your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and ankles. All of these muscles are working together to push and propel you forward with each step.
Let us now try to identify what kind of respiration takes place when doing it. So, we have two kinds, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, our body uses oxygen for energy, while in anaerobic respiration, our body uses different compounds in our muscles because oxygen isn't enough for these kinds of exercises. This means that aerobic respiration is for moderate intensity exercises, while anaerobic respiration is for high intensity exercises. So kids, let me ask you a question. When walking, do we exert a lot of effort? Does it make us feel very tired afterwards? You're right, we don't. When we walk, our heart and breathing rate both increase. Since we know that brisk walking is an example of a moderate intensity exercise, it falls under... You're right again, aerobic respiration. These exercises can be done for a longer period of time because they don't really require that much effort.
Now let's find out the principle behind the respiration done in brisk walking. Don't worry a single bit because I, Teacher Florian, is here to help you. 2 minutes into brisk walking, the heart rate increases and your body begins to supply working muscles with oxygen. As this occurs, the breathing rate and volume of each breath increases to bring more oxygen into the body and remove the carbon dioxide being produced. While doing this, what do you think is our cells doing? The cells throughout the body increase the number and size of the microscopic powerhouses of the cells called the mitochondria. And what does the mitochondria do? Yes, that's right. The mitochondria uses oxygen to create energy that can fuel important reactions throughout the body. Isn't that amazing? You are making yourself more efficient at delivering oxygen to the rest of the body.
Your teacher Ayan will explain how brisk walking affects cellular respiration in this section. To function, each cell in your body requires oxygen. The air you breathe provides the oxygen your cells require. Oxygen makes up 20% of the air you breathe. The food you eat gives your body cells energy. Cellular respiration is the name of this process. Cells use oxygen to break down sugar during cellular respiration. The energy that your body requires is produced by breaking down sugar. Cellular respiration is amazing, right? Now let's learn how brisk walking affects cellular respiration. Brisk walking, which is part of aerobic process, produces energy by burning carbohydrates and fats. More aerobic exercises will increase aerobic respiration rate and efficiency.
And there you have it, folks. To sum it all up, this physical activity keeps our body energized and healthy. It also strengthens our bones and muscles and improves our endurance and fitness. But most importantly, it helps us prevent harmful diseases such as high blood pressure and other cardiovascular diseases. This activity is not just enjoyable for kids and other teenagers, but also for adults. Now, to end our discussion, we hope that you have gained enough knowledge in this video about brisk walking. This is your Coach Teddy. Always remember that health should always be our #1 priority. Goodbye everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day.